Hello and welcome to Job Bob. If you're ready to take control of your career growth, you've come to the right place. Our career development plan is designed to give you a fully customized roadmap to build your skills, gain real-world experience, and achieve your career goals. By analyzing key factors like your role, industry, skill gaps, career aspirations, and challenges, we generate a structured, actionable plan tailored specifically to you. The more details you provide, the more precise and impactful your development plan will be. Getting started is easy. Just fill out the form on your screen, making sure to include as much information as possible for the best results. Be intentional with your choices, as they will directly shape the effectiveness and impact of your development plan. Next, upload your resume so we can gain deeper insights into your career path. Once you're all set, click Generate Development Plan and let Job Bob guide you toward your next big career move. While we wait for Job Bob to generate your personalized development plan, let's talk about why it matters and what outcomes you can expect. A structured career development plan gives you clarity, direction, and actionable steps to grow in your industry, sharpen your skills, and reach your goals. Whether you're aiming for a promotion, new certifications, or a career transition, a tailored plan keeps you on track. With Job Bob, your plan is built specifically for your strengths and growth opportunities, giving you a clear roadmap to success. Your development plan is complete. Now let's walk through what it includes. First, we align your career goals with industry trends and map out a clear roadmap to achieve them. Then, we outline a skill development plan with real-world learning resources, including recommended courses, boot camps, and certifications to enhance your expertise. You'll also receive insights on industry trends, networking strategies, and professional associations to help you stay competitive. To measure progress, we provide clear performance metrics and tracking methods. Plus, we address career challenges with actionable solutions and suggest volunteering or side projects to gain hands-on experience. Every step is designed specifically for your role, industry, and goals, ensuring you have a powerful, structured path to career success. Now, let's talk about your development plan dashboard, your central hub for tracking progress and refining your career strategy. Here, you can view all your previous development plans, compare them, and even blend insights together to create a fully customized roadmap that evolves with your goals. Whether you're revisiting past strategies or refining your next steps, this dashboard ensures you stay on track. And remember, Job Bob is here for you 24/7, always ready to support and guide you through every stage of your career development journey.